everyone, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and it is of course representing all my subscribers from Mexico. Thank you so much for your, or should I say Mexico, all my subscribers from Mexico. I don't know if that's Mexican or Italian. I don't know, I'm very bad with those accents. I don't know, but yeah. So this is the look nude lips and these gorgeous winged out eyes. Yes, yes, and yes. This glowy face, love it, absolutely love it, guys. My Mexican subscribers, big up on yourself, and for everybody else, no matter where you're from, thank you so much for subscribing to me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the support. Merry Christmas when it comes, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please enjoy this one. And if you do enjoy this one, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. Use the hashtag Rochester, so you can tag me on Instagram so I can see your looks. Alright, bye guys. Alright guys, I'm going to start with using my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'm going to put this on my brow bone. If you hear some noise, Jonathan is in the room with me. He refuses to leave me alone so I can work. So he's in here with me. Hopefully not hearing any other voices because I have the TV on but it's low. I was trying to keep him occupied, but it's just not working. It's not working. Alright, so I'm just putting this on my brow bone and I'm just blending it down a little bit so that my crease color has something to blend with. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place palette. This one is called Nubian 2. Then I'm going to grab my Fluffy Beige Cosmetics brush and I'm getting the color Morocco, and I'm putting this right underneath my brow bone color. Now I just want a hint of color, not a lot, because this is going to be all crease work today, right? So I really want to work with this Pro primer. It's high definition eyeshadow primer, and it's from LA Pro Conceal, I believe. Yeah, LA Girl. It's LA Girl, not LA Pro Conceal. It's LA Girl, and it's new, so it still has the thing on it. So I'm going to be using this as my base because it's white. So I'm going above my crease a little bit because whenever I open my eyes, it touches. So I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to go above my crease a little bit. So for the white, I'm going to be using my color from what's it called again? Crystalline, and it's from Mary Kay. So I'm going to get Crystalline first. So I'm going in back with the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to grab Egypt, and Egypt is this green. Hopefully you guys aren't hearing that. And the brush I'm using is the e.l.f. smudge brush. So I'm just patting it on, and whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to merge these two colors. Jonathan. Then the next color I'm going to go in with is a red, and the that I'll be using is my Inglot number 63 blush. I want to deepen that red, so I'm going in with Corrupt from Makeup Geek. It's just a black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow I have works perfectly fine, but I just have these laid out, so. Going in back in with the red Inglot number 63 blush. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. So now I'm going to grab Fawn and my angled brush that I used to do my brows, and I am just going to fix up here. So as I'm cleaning up, I'm wiping off on my hand because the red that's in it, and I don't want it to, the red to cross contaminate, if you understand what I'm saying. Jonathan, no, put it back. Huh? Put it back. Huh? Put it back. Huh? Put it back. Jonathan. Alright, so I blended out my Pro Conceal, well, somewhat. Now I'm going to be trying this for the very first time. This is a up to 24-hour foundation, okay, Infallible Pro Glow. Alright, and this color is 212 Cocoa, and I chose the darkest color. Oh, and I don't even put it yet. It's brand new. So the seal. Yeah. Brand new. I don't know how much to use it. This is red. Maybe it's the color character that's throwing it off. So I'm going to wear this again another day and give you guys a full review, because alright guys, so sorry I wasn't talking. I just got hella busy just now. So yeah. So for my blush, I'm wearing Hibiscus. I'm wearing Nectar from Black Opal, Fontana Pharmacy. I'm also wearing LA Girl Strobe Light in 40 watt, Fontana Pharmacy. And over Strobe Light in 40 watt, I'm wearing my Iman Afterglow. These two here. Sorry, these two here, Fontana Pharmacy. And on my lips, I'm wearing 650 Nude Embrace from Maybelline. Yes. And I think this is called Smooth Plum from LA Colors. It rub off, but I really believe it's called Smooth Plum, and again from Fontana Pharmacy. My lashes are Fashionista lashes, now available on my website. And yes, this is the look. Jonathan, you have to be careful. So this is the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed myself thoroughly. Finally, I'm back wearing lashes. I missed it so much. My goodness. So nude lips, shout out to all my Mexican subscribers in the place. Yes, thank you so much for your support. Really means a lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.